Roses, roses, roses. Get into it, girl, because we slay, period. Okay, you're probably wondering, why are you opening up this video like this? Simple, because we slay. I want y'all to get this message right here, right now, that no matter what size you wear, no matter what section you shop in, no matter what you do, you are a baddie. You deserve the best. You are amazing. And yeah, we're about to get into this jean try on haul. Y'all, let me drop the roses real quick, but I really had to start this video on a positive note because I am post-pandemic, I am post-getting married, I am post my mama dying. Like, I got all these things I have gone through, as you guys too. And before, when I was shopping at FashionNova, I was always getting like a size 15 because of my hips and my butt. But y'all, your girl is like over size 15 now, and it was a little bit triggering because y'all know my weight loss struggle, journey, all that good stuff. So I just wanted to start by saying, you are not the number of your jeans. You are not the number on the tag. You are a bad bitch no matter what, period. Okay, now let's get into it. So these jeans, y'all, these jeans are my favorite. This is why we're starting with them. They're called Feed My Ego Slouch Fit Jeans. I got them in a light blue color. This denim is so pretty to me. I like the variation of the denim. So I'm going to show you guys up close what the denim looks like, but I love them because they fit so comfortably. I love, like you see there, the color of the denim is really pretty to me in the wash and all of that. But anyways, I gotta get my dance on because these are my favorite of the whole haul. I love how distressed they are. I love how they kind of flare like the wide leg look, but they still look flattering on my hips. Of course, I'm gonna have to get them taken in because there's no stretch. It's not gonna stretch and snap into your waist. So keep that in mind. These do run a little big, but they're super cute and I love them. Now, these jeans right here, they had to grow on me. When I first pulled them out the packaging, they looked really big. Again, these jeans do not have any stretch. These are like the jeans that are wide leg. You have to kind of just go with the flow with these jeans. These ones are called Night Out in Paris straight leg jeans. And I got these in a 16 plus. So these ones actually grew on me because they're high-waisted. I actually styled these in a different video, so I'm going to share that with you guys later. But the reason why I really love these jeans is because of the color. I like that they're light denim. I like that there's not any holes. Drop it down and get your eagle on. Okay, sorry. But yeah, girl, I be having to test these jeans out. I have to make sure that because there's no stretch, that they're still comfortable, and they are still comfortable. So I'm showing you here the up-close denim work. And yeah, I still got to get these tailored, but I love these with a crop top or a fitted jacket or something like that. Yes. Okay, y'all. So these jeans are super humongous on me, but I still wanted to put them on to show you guys because the sizing is really hard when you're shopping FashionNova without stretch, okay? That's why I'm making this video for you guys. These are at 18 plus. They're called the crossover straight leg jeans, and these are like a medium blue color. So I wanted to get different shades of denim, so that's why I'm showing you guys these different shades. As you can see, I had to kind of grab it in my waist because they are really baggy, but it's crazy because the hips fit. I like the way it looks on my legs, but like you saw, they were a little too baggy. So I'm gonna see about maybe getting these tailored. I love the asymmetrical hem like on the top. Okay, we're just gonna move right on to the next jeans. These ones are stretchy. These ones I did get in a size 15. These jeans are called Best Wishes skinny jeans, and these are like a light wash. I like them because they have this funky detail. It's like see-through holes. There's actually holes in these jeans, but as you can see, it fits my waist fine. They are really cute. It's like a light denim wash, and how cute, y'all. They come with a jacket. So this is the jacket. I wanted to try it on with a tank top, and honestly, I wasn't feeling it. So I took it off, and I'm wearing it just with the bra. This is giving me, I'm going out, casual place, a lounge or something. I'll wear this with heels, but of course, you can wear it with sneakers if you wanted to dress it down, but really cute set. Now, I wanted to share with you guys a couple of their denim options. This is a jacket. This is called Still the Deal Denim Shacket. I got it in a 1X because I wanted it to cover my booty, as you see, and I wanted it to be oversized. Honestly, I thought those other jeans was the favorite. of the haul, these two items are my favorite. I love this white shacket. I plan on wearing it a lot this fall, especially with like my 2-piece activewear short sets, things like that. It's a cute, just throw on and go. It's like a casual slay. Like, I don't know, y'all. I'm feeling it. Like, look. I look good. I love this jacket. I just wanted to show you guys how these jeans I just showed you, they are a size 15, but like I mentioned, these jeans don't have stretch. This jean does have stretch. That's why it goes against my waist a little bit better, and then also why it's, you know, a size 15. These are also a size 15, and y'all, these sizes don't make any sense. I have a friend who's a size 10 try these on, and she couldn't even get them on. Actually, she might be like a size 12 because she's thick, okay? I wish I had a picture of her. Hope this video is helpful. I really hope that you guys can figure out your sizing. Love them because it goes all the way down in these cuts. It also has like a silhouette to where it's like kind of baggy on the bottom, a little bit tighter in the thighs, and it hugs your waist, and they're low, so they're not like, I think they're low actually. I don't know if they're low because I couldn't get them on past my hips. But the long story short is they have so many cute details, like this little part on the booty, the little frayed edges, just the denim color itself. I love these jeans. Again, I'm gonna be putting the sizes of everything I got down below and my personal measurements so that hopefully you can use this video for your help in choosing your sizes. I will also put the link to my last video I did like this a couple years ago because it has so many good gems in there as well as far as choosing your sizes with FashionNova. So like I said before, take your personal measurements, read the reviews, and just read the ingredients, not the ingredients, oh my God. Read the product description so you know what each item is made out of as far as materials. Okay, doll, so again, let me know if you feel me on this video. I definitely had to get my mind in a good space, and I want you guys to be in a good space with me because at the end of the day, I know I'm beautiful. So anyways, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this video with a friend, and comment down below which jeans were your favorite. Now, if you don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure you do that. My new Instagram is at ChrissyTheDoll_official. Also, make sure you follow me on TikTok, which is at ChrissyTheDoll, and I'll put all my social medias on the screen. I really think that's it. Again, these roses are for you, no matter your size, no matter your color, no matter y'all. You're the bomb, and I want to thank you so much for your love and support as always, and stay fabulous and stay fierce. Bye.